Hello first graders and welcome back to day 4 of your phonics spelling and reading job for the week. Today we are going to continue looking at the OO sound that we read in words when we see the double O, the OU, the EU, the UE, or the U consonant E pattern in our words. So, to begin, we are going to look at these words and we are going to read the words and put them in the sentence that makes sense. So, sentence number 1, follow along with me first graders, says, she ate some, Which word goes in that sentence? She ate some soup. Soup. Sentence number 2. You must tell the You must tell the You must tell the truth. You must tell the truth. Sentence number 3. Rob has a smile. Rob has a smile. Rob has a cute smile. Rob has a cute smile. Sentence number 4. The flag is red, white, and The flag is red, white, and Which word makes sense? The flag is red, white, and blue. Sentence number 5. I will be home, I will be home, I will be home soon. I will be home soon. Sentence number 6. I have a coat. I have a coat. What word is left, boys and girls? I have a new coat. I have a new coat. What do all of these words have in common? Did you hear the OO sound in each of these words? And did you spot the vowel pattern? All right, going on to our next page. We are going to, in our reading job today, boys and girls, we are going to be using context clues. The context are words in a sentence or information from the pictures that give readers clues to the meaning of a word or phrases. So, boys and girls, we have practiced this before. When you are reading and you come across a word that you do not know or a sentence that you do not understand, we can use picture power or context clues to figure it out. Today, we are going to be using those context clues, reading detectives, to figure out multiple meaning words. Multiple meaning words are words with more than one meaning. For example, the word bat can be a furry animal that looks like a mouse with wings, or it can be a wooden club you use to hit a ball. Use the context clues in this example sentence to figure out which bat I am talking about. I hit the ball with the bat. Which bat am I probably talking about? I'm talking about the wooden bat. So that is what words in my sentence made you think that I was talking about a wooden bat and not a furry animal? I said I hit the ball with the bat. So that was the context clue to help you figure out that I was talking about a wooden bat and not a furry animal. All right. Looking at these two sentences, I'm going to read the sentence and then I would like for you to point to the picture that this sentence describes. Sentence number 1 says, "We can see the branches growing out of the trunk." We can see the branches growing out of the trunk. Which picture am I describing? I am describing this picture of the tree. You can see the branches growing out of the trunk of the tree. The second sentence says, "We can see the trunk growing out of the ground." We can see the trunk growing out of the ground. Which picture am I talking about? Again, I am talking about this picture of the tree trunk, not of the elephant trunk. Which context clues, which words helped you know that I was talking about this picture of the tree? I used the word branches in the first sentence. Elephants don't have branches. And in the second sentence, I said that the trunk was growing out of the ground. Which trunk grows out of the ground? So those are your context clues, boys and girls. Let's do another example together. I'm going to read this short paragraph to you. Dinner outside. In spring, my family likes to have dinner outside. We do the same thing on warm days in the fall. We cook hamburgers on the grill. We eat at least one kind of fruit. We eat at a table in our yard. Sometimes we go on a picnic. It is hard to fit all the food in the picnic basket. Now, boys and girls, some of these words are bold because they have multiple meanings. They have more than one meaning. So, looking at the first example, the word spring, in this paragraph, it means the season. But it could also mean the verb to suddenly jump up. I spring out of my chair. The second word they'd like us to look at is the word kind. We eat at least one kind of fruit. What does it mean in the paragraph? And what is another meaning for the word? The word kind can mean a type. We eat at least one type of fruit. Or it could mean, put your hands on your heart, boys and girls, it could mean like a kind heart, a good friend. The next word we're going to look at is fit. It is hard to fit all the food in the picnic basket. It is hard to fit all the food in the picnic basket. What does it mean in the paragraph? In the paragraph, it means it is hard to get all of the food into the picnic basket together. If it does not fit, that means there is not enough room. It is hard to fit all of the food in the picnic basket. Another meaning for the word fit could be you are strong, you are healthy. If you play really hard at recess and run laps during PE, you might be fit. Your body is healthy. The last word we're going to look at is the word fall. We do the same thing on warm days in the fall. What does it mean in this sentence? In the paragraph, it's talking about the season, fall. Another meaning for the word fall could mean to fall over or fall out of your chair. All right, boys and girls, now it is time for you to go and complete Reader's Notebook, page 134. You're going to use the spelling words on the side, read the words, then read the sentences, and fill in the blanks for the word that makes sense. After you complete that, boys and girls, It's time to read. Today you're going to open up to Journeys, page 152, and read the informational text. Grow, apples grow. Please remember to read at least 10 minutes every day. All right, happy reading, first graders.